this week, or this proclamation is for National Health Center Week, and Councilman Hunter is going to help me with this one. We're glad you're here. Y'all look healthy, wealthy, and wise, so you're a good representative. Okay.
Thank you, Mayor McComb. The week of August 12th through the 18th, 2018 marks the annual observance of National Healthcare Center Week, recognizing America's health centers, their dedicated staff, board members, and all those responsible for their continued success and growth. For over 50 years, health centers have provided high-quality, affordable, comprehensive primary and preventative health care in our nation's underserved communities, delivering value to and having a significant impact on America's healthcare system. Every day, health centers are developing new approaches to integrating a wide range of services beyond primary care, including oral health, vision, behavioral health, and pharmacy services to meet the needs and challenges of their community. The health centers are locally controlled by patient majority boards, ensuring that the patients of each health center are engaged in their own health care decisions. The Coastal Bend Wellness Foundation is a local nonprofit community health center offering an array of medical and social services with the goal to provide health and wellness initiatives in the state of Texas and the Coastal Bend.
Now therefore, pursuant to the powers vested in me as the mayor of the city of Corpus Christi, I do hereby proclaim August the 12th through the 18th as National Health Center Week in Corpus Christi, and encourage all the citizens to recognize and commend the numerous health centers for being the key to a healthier community. And I've signed it on August the 14th, and we do commend you for your efforts. And who's the spokesperson for the group here? You are. All right. Well, I'll present this to you and ask you to say a few words.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Council. We are here celebrating National Community Health Centers Week. We are a community health center, like Mr. Hunter explained, but we do provide primary health care, specialty health care, and lots of other social services to those underserved. So if someone can't afford medical care, we certainly will work with them on a sliding scale fee, and we feel very blessed to work with the Corpus Christi community. So thank you very much.
Well, thank you, and keep up the good work. We'll get together. We'll get a picture.
Okay. Are you can, well, come on. Come, let us roll, no, you come roll over here.
To the left, to the left, to the left.
There you go. Everybody shift to the left, shift to the left.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming down.
Thank you. Thank you. How are you?
Oh my goodness, we're gonna have to I'm looking at my tea glasses like, oh my goodness, we're coming.
Our next one is Xeriscape Corpus Christi Water-Wise Gardening Month. Who's down going to be representing us on this one? Come on now. All right, well, water, as you know, is a pretty important commodity for us here in South Texas, and so good stewardship of the water is one of the best, the fastest ways to protect our water supply. So we want to commend those for that. Water Water use in landscape ranks third as the state's largest water user as Texas' population increases and water resources decrease. It is important to reduce water consumption on lawns and landscapes for this reason. Xeriscape gardening is an effective way water conservation. In 1993, the Texas Government Code 2166.404, you're very familiar with that, right? Required municipalities to implement water conservation programs to promote water efficiency in landscapes. After years of planning and planting, the Xeriscape Design Garden and Learning Center became a reality in 1995 in Corpus Christi. The Xeriscape Garden has been recognized by Keep Texas Beautiful, the Governor's Clean Texas Award, American Water Works Association, Beautify Corpus Christi, and featured in gardening publications. Xeriscape Corpus Christi remains committed to educate and motivate citizens to adopt the 7 water conservation principles. The Xeriscape Garden is located at 1900 North Chaparral Street near the Museum of Science and History and is free, open to the public, and full of ideas for citizens to implement their own landscape. So therefore, pursuant to the powers vested in me as mayor of the city of Corpus Christi, I do hereby proclaim August 2018 Xeriscape Corpus Christi Water-Wise Gardening Month in Corpus Christi and encourage all the citizens to use water wisely and efficiently in their landscape. And it's a wonderful project, and we do have to protect our water, and conservation is the low-hanging fruit in terms of continuing the water supply. So thank you very much. We appreciate all your help. And who's going to be the spokesperson? You're the spokesperson.
Thank you. Thank you. We encourage everyone to visit the Xeriscape Garden, which is at 1900 North Chaparral, next to the Museum of Science and History. I want to acknowledge for long-standing relationships with AgriLife, with the Nueces County Master Gardeners, Master Naturalists. We've always been supported by the water utilities, and so they're our reason for being there. And then our volunteers. So we have a lot of volunteer opportunities. It's a beautiful garden. It's a great place to take photographs and to enjoy nature. And so we certainly hope that more folks will come down to our demonstration garden. You can see how to harvest rainwater and compost and different types of mulches, and we have over 100 varieties of plants that are native and adaptive to this area. So we want everyone to be successful and have a beautiful garden regardless of drought conditions.
All right, thank you. So let's gather up for a picture. Thank you all for what you've done. Let's give them a hand for all the work they're doing to help us here. All right, this next one is an important proclamation, and it's about keeping kids in school. And Councilman Roy is going to help me with this, and he's asking him to do this because he and his wife both are on the board of the foundation out at Cal Island. So, I mean, education is part of his interest, and so I wanted him to participate in this. So if you would, if you're here for the Operation K.E.Y.S, Keep Every Youth in School Day. If you're here, come on down for this. See, this proves that we are available for everybody. He's on the board out there at the Cal Island area, but this CCISD, we're all happy friends and working on education together, right?
Operation K.E.Y.S, keeping every youth in school day. Every year, over 1.2 million students drop out of high school in the United States, and that is a student every 26 seconds or 7,000 a day. Education increases economic opportunities. Education creates a culture that values learning. Education encourages personal fulfillment. Education unites and empowers communities. The City of Corpus Christi, the Diocese of Corpus Christi, and the Corpus Christi Independent School District have formed a partnership to ensure that all youth are enrolled in school. Operation K.E.Y.S, Keeping Every Youth in School, is a community-wide walk where citizens of Corpus Christi and CCISD employees will take to the streets, knock on doors of youth who are not in school, and provide families with the resources needed for youth to return to school.
Now therefore, pursuant to the powers vested in me as mayor of the city of Corpus Christi, I do hereby proclaim September the 15th, 2018 as Operation K.E.Y.S Day, Keeping Every Youth in School Day, in Corpus Christi. Encourage all citizens to participate in the operation of K.E.Y.S, Keeping Every School in Youth in School program. So we thank you very much. Who's going to be the spokesman for? Or you're the leading block walker.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you, Mayor, and thank you, Mr. Roy. That's great. What we do is K.E.Y.S, Keeping Every Youth in School. We have two events that happen. Our phone bank, which is September 5th at the CCISD building, our boardroom, as well as our walk, which is September 15th, and we go and knock on doors and we try to bring every youth back to school. So if you'd like to volunteer, please go to the www.ccisd.us website, and we'll be happy to set you up to go knocking on some doors. We do need our volunteers. Thank you again.
Thank you. Let me present this to you. Give them a hand, then we'll get over here and get a picture. And for sure, we don't want to block out a former board member of CCISD. So. All right, this next one is for the Laguna Little League Junior Softball All-Star Team. So come on up, girls, ladies. All right, well, I've asked Greg Smith to help us on this one because these baseball players are out in his district, and they've done quite a good bit of work this year, and congratulate you. And so I'll let Greg do this, and then when it's over, we've got a little certificate of recognition for him.
Well, this is a little bit special for me because 20 years ago, my daughter Catherine, she played on the league with it. So to see these girls, she didn't do nearly as good as you all, but what a fine organization, and you're doing for the community in Flower Bluff. But congratulations on your championship win for the 2018 Junior League Texas West Section 4 Championships. These young ladies were selected to represent the Laguna Little League Junior All-Star Team. They competed locally against other local league districts within the city and advanced to the sectional tournament held here in Corpus Christi during the week of July 2nd. The team had wins over Brownsville, Laredo, and the Alice Little League districts to win the Texas West Section 4 title. The tournament win advanced them to the 2018 Texas West State Tournament held in Abilene, Texas on July 13th through the 16th. And these fierce young ladies were the only one game away from making it into the championship games. The city of Corpus Christi and the community are very proud for each and every one of you for your representing our beautiful city in the softball diamond. Thank you.
Congratulations to you. We have a certificate here, and I'm going to ask Councilman Smith if he'll help me pass them out. Isabel Cintron. Harley Elam. Caitlin Frakes. Lauren Fuller. Serena Gonzalez. All right, here we go. Zarita Guerrera. Abby. X-I-T. Abby. I like Abby. I got a daughter-in-law, Abby, and a granddaughter named Abby. So I like Abby. Sierra Ingram. Emery Jeffers. Am I close? Close enough? Gabby Lopez. Madison McGrath. Emily Mayo. Juliana Pena. Ali Ramos. Angel Rocha. Angel? Angel? Not here.
Not here.
And Bruce Elam.
Okay.
There's the man right there. And Matthew Mayo.
Matthew Mayo. Matthew Mayo, come on down.
Coach's video.
All right. Well, congratulations again, girls. We wish you the best of next year, I guess, or maybe you'll advance to outside the. Have you reached all you can play in this league this year, or are you still eligible for next year? The younger ones. All right. Huh? Oh, still do seniors. All right. Well, congratulate them on their achievements, and then let's get a picture all kind of bunched up over it.